I want to talk to you today about the science behind being comfortable in your house, and I also want to reveal one key ingredient that will make a huge difference in the comfort of your new house. First, let's talk about comfort. You know, most people think about the comfort in their house and they think about their thermostat. Well, that thermostat is only measuring about 50% of really what makes us comfortable in our houses, and that's the temperature. But the missing component that the thermostat doesn't tell us about is the relative humidity inside of the house. You know, in the summertime, I live very comfortably at 77 or maybe 78 degrees in my thermostat, but that's because I have a separate dehumidification system in my house, which is keeping my relative humidity between 40 and 60%. A lot of times in southern US houses, we've got days outside where it's maybe 80 degrees outside, but it's also 80 or maybe even 90 or 100% humidity. And on those days, our air conditioner, especially if we're in a new house, does not need to run a whole lot. And because our air conditioner is not running much, our houses get really stuffy and uncomfortable. And as a result, most people go over their thermostat and kick it down and make that house colder when they really don't need a colder house, they need a more comfortable house. So let me show you what we've done on this house, which I really think should be mandatory for new houses being built in the southern US. All right, so we're up in the mechanical room's attic. This is a conditioned space. Don't be fooled by the fiberglass batting behind me. That's just for sound reasons. And what we've got here is the Ultra Air SD12. This dehumidifier is a brand new type that's never been made before. That's what they call a split dehumidifier. If you've ever plugged a dehumidifier in, like when I was a kid, I had one in my basement, you'll know that they put out a lot of heat. That's because the compressor and everything is all in one box. In this unit, we've run the compressor to the outside. We've got a Freon line between that and here. And now when this unit dehumidifies, it's sending that waste heat to the outside. We can set now our dehumidistat at 50% and decouple that from the temperature. So I actually live very, very comfortably at my house at 78 degrees because I've controlled my humidity separately. The other thing it's going to do is let our system operate more efficiently. You know, when this unit runs, it's using way less amps than if I was going to run my air conditioner, so living at that higher temperature can be a big benefit for energy efficiency. If you'd like more information on dehumidifiers or the science behind comfort that we talked about today, visit my blog at mattreisinger.com. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.